बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इस वीडियो में हम सेक्शन बी के क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का पार्ट 4 करेंगे, जिसके मजीद दो पार्ट्स हैं, ए और बी। पार्ट ए में है कंप्यूट अर्थमेटिक मीन बाई टेकिंग एज इक्वल 25। ये आपको टेबल दी है, कुछ क्लास दी है, कुछ फ्रिक्वेंसी दी है, उसके बाद आपने इसका अर्थमेटिक मीन मालूम करना है। तो एज इक्वल 25 दिया, इट मीन्स आप डायरेक्ट मेथड से नहीं, इनडायरेक्ट मेथड से इसको डिटरमिन करेंगे। तो चलें हम अपने सोल्यूशन की तरफ जाते हैं। ये हमें एज जो शेप है क्लास फ्रिक्वेंसी ऐसी दी गई है। सोल्यूशन में मैंने इसको क्या वर्टिकली कन्वर्ट कर दिया है। क्लासेस है 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50। हमारे पास फ्रिक्वेंसीज कितनी हैं? 3, 2, 6, 5, 4। अब इसका सामने लेते हैं। समीशन है 20, 4, 5, 9, 6, 15, 15, 17, 17 plus 3, 20. Now we are going to taking the midterm of the classes which labeled as x here. 0 plus 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5, 10 plus 20 divided by 2 is equal to 15. Then we are going to pick at preceding values of x by adding 10. 15 plus 10, 25, 25 plus 10, 35, 35 plus 10 is equal to 45. Now d is equal to x minus a. We are going to follow the instruction of the questions where a is equal to 25. So x minus a, 5 minus 25 is equal to minus 20, 15 minus 25 is equal to minus 10, 25 minus 25 is equal to 0, 35 minus 25 is equal to 10, 45 minus 25 is equal to 20. So sum of deviation from mean is always equal to 0. When you are going to add this d column, so sum will be equal to 0. Now we are going to find fd. Minus 16 minus 20, 2 into raised to power, or 2 into minus 10 is equal to minus 20, 6 into 0, 0, 5 into 10, 50, 4 into 20 is equal to 80. Then we have summation fd is equal to 50, because look at this, 60, 20 minus 80 plus 80 cancel each other and remaining only figure is 50. Now arithmetic mean, which is indirect method, x bar is equal to a plus summation ft divided by summation f. A is equal to 25 plus 50 divided by 20, 0 is cancelled by 0. So we have 25 plus 2.5, x bar is equal to 27.5. This is our answer. Look at this, it is lies in the same class 20 to 30. Now we will move to the B part of the question number 4, section B under question 2. So find the distance between the centers A and B if AD is equal to 6 cm, CD is equal to 4 cm, BD is equal to 5 cm. Here is the solution. So we have drawn this diagram hypothetically, not exactly as a given measurement. So AD is equal to 6 cm, DC is equal to 4 cm, and DBC is equal to 5 cm. AD is equal to 6 cm, DB 5 cm, CD is equal to 4 cm, AB. This is the distance from A to B. We have to be determined. In triangle ADC, AC is equal to AD square minus CD whole square. Pythagoras theorem. 6 square minus 4 square, 36 minus 16, 20, and AC is equal to plus minus 200 under root 5. Now in triangle CDB, CB square is equal to BT whole square minus CD whole square, 5 cm whole square minus 4 cm whole square, 25 minus 6, 25 minus 16, which is equal to 9. So taking square root of both sides, CB is equal to plus minus 3. So AB is equal to AB plus CB plus minus 2 underscore 5 plus minus 3. So you will get this value after solving this under root 5 and then multiply by 2, and then we will once add in minus values, then we will add in plus values. I hope you will find this solution useful. If you have any question and query, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.